right, we're here with Project Al Bundy Mobile, and it has a 5.7 Hemi, Gen 3 Hemi, with the Holley Terminator X system on it, and we're gonna do our first fire up here and see how it goes. I believe it's the Al Bundy Mobile.
Al Bundy.
We gotta make sure we don't think of Ted Bundy.
I'm so sorry.
Right. Al Bundy good, Ted Bundy bad. Just remember that. Well, I think that's pretty successful. Nothing caught on fire, and it fired up first shot, which usually the Holley stuff does if you get everything set up electronically correct. Usually, again, things fuel leaks. That's usually what the first startup is. You're looking for fuel or water or some other kind of leak. But so, anyways, we're gonna check a few things, and then we'll get back at it. All right, so we found out where the oil was coming from. It's actually coming from the transmission. Pretty typical for Chryslers to not have a plug in the transmission fill. Just kidding. Anyways, so we're gonna tighten that up, clean up the floor, and give it another shot to my head. Anyways, we found a problem with the IAC wiring. Since this is a Chrysler, it came IAC wired for a Chrysler IAC motor, and so we're actually using a GM throttle body on this thing, so we had to change some of the pinouts on it, so the IAC knew what to do. So we're gonna go ahead and fire it up one more time.